What challenges does code switching create in the workplace? Imagine trying to speak two different languages at the same time, switching back and forth to fit in. That's what many employees do when they code switch at work. From an anthropological and sociolinguistic view, code switching means changing your language, speech style, or even behavior to match the cultural norms of your environment. It's often a way to get along or be understood, but it can come with some tricky challenges. First, many people feel they lose a part of themselves when they constantly change how they speak or act. This can create a sense of losing authenticity or feeling disconnected from their true identity. Over time, this can lead to emotional stress because they might feel they are not being true to who they really are. It's like wearing a mask every day just to fit in. Second, switching languages or speech styles all the time takes a lot of mental effort. It's like running a mental marathon. People have to pay close attention to how they speak, what they say, and how others respond. This mental load can cause fatigue and even anxiety, especially if they worry about making mistakes or being judged. Third, code switching often highlights existing power differences in workplaces. Employees from minority groups might feel they need to change their way of speaking to avoid stereotypes or bias. This can make them feel like they are constantly fighting to be seen as equal, which can be exhausting and frustrating. It's a way of navigating systemic inequalities that are built into the workplace culture. Fourth, there is also the risk of feeling judged by others in their own community. Some might see code switching as a betrayal or a sign they are losing their cultural roots. This can cause feelings of guilt or shame, adding more social pressure. Finally, while code switching can help people communicate better or fit in, it can also limit how much they can share about themselves. Employees might hold back parts of their identity to avoid negative reactions. This can make relationships at work less genuine and create feelings of isolation. Understanding these challenges from an anthropological point of view shows how important it is for workplaces to value different ways of speaking and being. When companies recognize that code switching is often a response to social pressures, they can work toward creating environments where everyone feels safe to be themselves without fear of judgment or exclusion.